First thing is, it's not like an AI workload just has an AI accelerator and a model that, at inference time, right? Because the reality is,
OpenAI kickstarted the artificial intelligence arms race with the explosive debut of ChatGPT in late 2022.
What if the next generation of millionaires isn't coming from tech giants or old money families, but from people who understand how to use artificial intelligence? Right now, a massive financial shift is happening quietly in the background. The rules of success are being rewritten, not by bankers or investors, but by algorithms and machines that learn faster than any human ever could. Artificial intelligence isn't just a tool anymore, it's a new economy. Those who understand it are becoming the new financial elite, while everyone else is watching the future unfold without a seat at the table. So, let's uncover how this revolution is creating fortunes, and how you can still catch up. The Wealth Gap 2.0, the traditional gap between rich and poor, is being replaced by a new divide: those who use artificial intelligence and those who don't. For the first time, wealth isn't about physical labor or connections, it's about technological understanding. Artificial intelligence is helping people automate tasks, scale businesses, and make data-driven decisions at lightning speed. The ones who adapt are seeing exponential growth in income and influence. Meanwhile, those who hesitate are being left behind by a system that rewards innovation, not effort. This isn't about luck, it's about awareness. The more you understand artificial intelligence, the more leverage you gain in a world that now runs on code and computation. Data is the new currency. In today's world, data is wealth, and artificial intelligence is the refinery. Every click, purchase, and conversation creates data that can be turned into profit. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Tesla have built their empires by feeding artificial intelligence systems massive amounts of information. These systems learn what we like, what we buy, and even what we'll want next. The result: predictive power. And predictive power equals money. The new elite don't chase cash, they own the algorithms that interpret human behavior. Whether it's advertising, healthcare, or finance, whoever controls the data now controls the future of global wealth. Artificial intelligence simply makes that control faster, smarter, and nearly unstoppable. The rise of the prompt billionaire. We've entered an age where the most valuable skill isn't coding, it's communication. People who know how to talk to artificial intelligence are turning ideas into income streams overnight. These prompt billionaires don't have massive teams or expensive offices. They just know how to guide artificial intelligence to create, build, and sell. It's creativity combined with technology, and it's leveling the playing field. Whether it's writing, designing, or developing new tools, the ability to direct artificial intelligence effectively is now worth more than any college degree. This new breed of entrepreneur understands one thing: if you can think clearly and communicate precisely, you can make machines work for you, not against you. Automation empires. Imagine owning a business that works 24/7 without breaks, salaries, or burnout. That's the reality for those building automation empires through artificial intelligence. Entrepreneurs are using intelligent systems to handle marketing, customer service, product creation, and logistics, all on autopilot. What used to require dozens of employees can now be managed by one person and a few well-trained algorithms. This shift is creating a generation of digital tycoons whose businesses grow while they sleep. The beauty of it: anyone can join in. You don't need investors or office space, just knowledge. Artificial intelligence isn't taking jobs, it's giving power back to individuals who understand how to use it strategically. Intellectual leverage. The new capital. In the old economy, wealth depended on capital, labor, or land. In the new economy, it's all about intellectual leverage, using your mind to amplify results through artificial intelligence. One person can now achieve what once took entire corporations. A single idea, powered by machine learning and automation, can reach millions instantly. This is why small creators are competing with global companies and freelancers are outperforming established agencies. Artificial intelligence magnifies human capability, turning insight into income faster than ever before. The key isn't working harder, it's thinking smarter. In this age, mental creativity backed by intelligent systems is the ultimate form of capital, and it's limitless. The silent corporate coup, a quiet revolution, is happening inside corporations. Artificial intelligence is flattening hierarchies, cutting inefficiencies, and reducing the need for layers of management. Tasks that used to require teams of analysts or consultants can now be handled by advanced algorithms in seconds. The result: traditional power structures are collapsing from within. Smart individuals who understand how to integrate artificial intelligence are rising faster than ever, replacing old-school executives with data-driven thinkers. The winners in this shift aren't the ones who follow orders. They're the ones who build systems that think, analyze, and adapt. The corporate world is being rebuilt, and this time, intelligence, not experience, determines who stays at the top. The rise of decentralized genius, artificial intelligence, has broken geography's grip on success. You no longer need to live in New York, London, or Silicon Valley to make an impact. A creator in Lagos, a developer in Manila, or a designer in Buenos Aires can now compete globally from their laptop. Artificial intelligence tools give everyone access to world-class productivity, creativity, and opportunity. The barriers that once separated developed and developing nations are fading. What matters now is not where you're from, but what you can build. This decentralization of genius is rewriting the rules of global wealth, giving rise to a new, borderless class of innovators shaping the next financial elite. The creator economy reborn, artificial intelligence has reignited the creator economy. But this time, it's not about likes or followers, it's about ownership and innovation. Artists, writers, musicians, and developers can now create products, brands, and experiences at a scale once impossible. You no longer need a big studio or marketing team, just vision and the right tools. Artificial intelligence helps creators design, edit, and distribute instantly, opening new income streams through automation and personalization. The new financial elite are creative entrepreneurs who combine imagination with intelligence. This isn't the influencer era, it's the innovator era, and artificial intelligence is the canvas on which fortunes are painted. Financial systems reinvented, artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of money itself. In trading, investing, and even lending, algorithms now make faster and smarter decisions than humans ever could. Hedge funds powered by artificial intelligence outperform traditional managers by predicting market trends in milliseconds. Digital banks use artificial intelligence to assess credit, manage risk, and personalize financial products. This technology doesn't just make finance efficient, it makes it accessible. Small investors can now use the same predictive tools once reserved for billion-dollar institutions. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it's not just managing money, it's redefining who gets to build wealth in the first place. The death of traditional education, the old promise, get a degree and you'll succeed, no longer holds true. The world now values adaptability, creativity, and digital fluency over formal credentials. Artificial intelligence is accelerating this shift by giving anyone access to high-level knowledge instantly. From coding and design to business strategy, everything can be learned faster, cheaper, and smarter. The new elite aren't waiting for institutions to approve them. They're self-educating and monetizing their skills through artificial intelligence tools. Knowledge is now the greatest currency, and those who learn how to think critically, not just memorize, will thrive in this rapidly evolving, machine-driven economy. The moral divide, while artificial intelligence creates immense opportunity, it also raises a profound question: who controls the power? The technology that builds wealth for some could easily create dependency for others. The new elite are those who own the systems, not those who merely use them. As automation expands, the gap between creators of artificial intelligence and its consumers grows wider. This isn't just a financial issue, it's an ethical one. The world must decide how to balance progress with fairness. Because if artificial intelligence remains in the hands of a few, the same system designed to empower humanity could ultimately enslave it. The great wealth transfer has already begun. A massive transfer of wealth is underway, not from one generation to another, but from traditional systems to artificial intelligence-driven ecosystems. The companies, investors, and individuals who understand this shift are accumulating assets faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is democratizing opportunity, but centralizing power, a paradox that defines our era. Those who adapt will rise with the tide, those who ignore it will be swept away. The future doesn't belong to the biggest players anymore, it belongs to the smartest. And in a world powered by artificial intelligence, intelligence itself has become the most valuable form of wealth. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing the world, it's rewriting the definition of success. The next financial elite won't come from privilege or inheritance, they'll come from understanding how to harness this technology. Whether you're an entrepreneur, creator, or dreamer, your greatest opportunity is unfolding right now. So take control, learn, experiment, and evolve, because the future doesn't wait for anyone. If this video inspired you or opened your eyes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, where we uncover the ideas shaping the next era of wealth, power, and innovation. The revolution has already begun, and your move is next.